Oncology projects face one of the highest FDA rejection rates. But do you know why EPC and pharma teams keep missing hidden triggers? FDA inspections flag recurring lapses, not in drug science, but in how oncology facilities are designed, qualified, and handed over. Oncology isn't general sterile. Missed segregation in HVAC zoning, gowning, and waste paths trigger immediate citations under Annex 1 and FDA aseptic guidance. Skipping full CQV lifecycle documentation from URS to PQ means oncology facilities look GMP-ready but fail approval audits. One FDA-triggered retrofit can wipe out months of production, millions in lost oncology batches, and force revalidation across systems. Inotek has been recognized among the top 10 pharma turnkey contractors and project consultants, 2022 and 2025. Inotek ensures oncology facilities are inspection-proof, from segregation mapping to CQV execution, delivering zero-deficiency handovers. Don't let hidden FDA triggers stall your approvals. Partner with Inotek for oncology facilities that pass inspections the first time. Ready to talk?